Welcome to the Explainer. Now look, if you're an educator, you already know that lesson planning, well, it can absolutely feel like heavy lifting, right? It's a lot of work. But today, we're diving into a system that's designed to be your ultimate, super fun sidekick in the classroom. We're unpacking Lesson Chat, which is this incredible platform built to totally transform how you curate your daily plans. Right off the bat, you've got to love this core mantra. Every lesson on target. It's such a fantastic reminder that planning, it doesn't actually have to be a chore. It can be a joyful, super focused experience that zeroes in on exactly what your students need. So here's our fantastic roadmap for today. We're going to start with a quick welcome to Lesson Chat, look at setting up your lesson, explore the 2 core modes, dive into curating gamified activities, and then wrap it all up with your teacher dashboard. Let's get right into it. Section 1. Welcome to Lesson Chat. Getting started. Let's put ourselves right in the shoes of a teacher sitting down at their computer, right? Maybe you've got your coffee in hand, ready to create something amazing for tomorrow. You hit the login screen, securely sign in with your 8-character password, or, just check the box to stay signed in, and boom, the system greets you. Literally, it says, "Welcome back, talented educator." I mean, how great is that? Starting your planning process by being celebrated and validated like that, it just sets an incredibly positive tone for the whole session. Moving right along to Section 2, setting up your lesson, building the foundation. Okay, so this is where we build the strong foundation of our daily plan. And the absolutely crucial point here is how incredibly fast and easy it is to plug in your specific criteria. You just drop in your grade level, your chosen standard, and standard text, maybe an optional lesson title, your learning objective, and your key vocabulary. By front-loading these details right away, you're guaranteeing that every single activity the software helps you generate later on is going to be perfectly aligned and flawlessly sized to the exact grade of its standard. It's like building a house on a rock-solid foundation. All right, Section 3, the 2 core modes. Choose your path. After that initial setup, we reach this brilliant little crossroads where the software pauses and asks a beautifully simple question. What are we doing today? It's a really cool moment. It's asking you to decide on your approach for the day. Are we stepping into the role of an evaluator because we already have a plan, or are we putting on our creative hats to generate something entirely new? So, on one hand, you've got evaluate mode. This is your highly structured, analytical side. If you've already got a lesson plan, you use this to score it out of 100, part by part, and you get these really targeted coaching notes alongside a full report. But on the other hand, we have suggest mode. If you need ideas, oh man, this gives you vibrant, gamified suggestions pulled straight from your approved toolkit for every single part of your lesson. It is literally the ultimate brainstorming partner. Now for the really fun stuff. Section 4. Curating gamified activities. Suggest mode tools. Curating these gamified activities is a total breeze, and it works in 3 simple, kind of magical steps. Step 1, you just tap on different parts of your lesson and it instantly expands activity ideas pulled directly from your toolkit. Step 2, you curate your content, sorting through those awesome suggestions. And Step 3, you explore specific resource categories to really flesh out the finer details of the lesson. Now that curation process in Step 2, it actually feels a bit like a game. You look at the activity cards it gives you, and you simply keep what you love and you exclude what you don't. And the absolute best part is, if you swipe away or exclude a card, it instantly swaps out with a fresh idea. No eating, no loading screens, just boom, a new idea pops up to keep that inspiration flowing without missing a single beat. And while you're curating, you can toggle through a bunch of seriously valuable resource categories. You can instantly pull up assessment questions, grab some super engaging look and wonder prompts, or even find recommended YouTube channels. Plus, once your masterpiece is totally built, you have seamless print and export options, along with those incredibly helpful coaching notes we talked about earlier. Basically, you'll find exactly what you need to make the lesson totally pop. And finally, Section 5, your teacher dashboard. Stay organized. Okay, so once the lesson is planned, how on earth do you keep it all organized? Well, think of your dashboard as your organizational superpower. It automatically compiles a class glossary, which is this amazing A to Z list of every single vocabulary word from your saved lessons, complete with kid-friendly meanings sized perfectly for your grade level. You can even customize the look with beautiful visual calendar themes from Sunday to Saturday. And to top it off, you can add and track event types. This means you can color code your whole schedule by unit blocks, planned lessons, done items, and even a trash bin where your deleted items are safely kept for 30 days before they vanish for good. It just beautifully ties everything together for long-term planning. Which brings us right back to our ultimate goal. Every lesson on target. Today, we've seen exactly how Lesson Chat combines rigorous standards alignment with this incredibly fun gamified curation process. So, I have one final question to leave you with. Are you ready to let Suggest Mode gamify your planning and completely transform your classroom tomorrow? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Get out there and happy planning.